Is your internet getting used up too fast? Is your background data consumption too much? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Chola and I'm going to guide you through the process of how to reduce your computer background data consumption in Windows 10, 11 or any other computer. We're going to go through this with 3 very easy and simple steps. So let's just get started. Step number 1, go to Start button. Right click on this, go to Settings. We're going to look for this option called Update and Security. Once you go there, just click on this option called Advanced Options. Make sure all your update options are currently turned off, assuming that you've already updated your Windows to the latest version. Make sure that these are turned off so that whenever a new update comes, Windows will not start the updates automatically. It will ask you to update it manually. Now for step number 2, again go to Run, do a right click, go to Settings. We're going to click on this option called Privacy. Once this opens up, we're going to scroll down just a little bit. And we're going to look for this option called Background Apps. We're going to click on that. Now make sure that you have turned off for those applications which you're not using. You don't want to be running them on background. Make sure those are turned off. For example, if I'm not using the camera, I can turn it off. I can turn off this 3D viewer. I can turn off these films and TV so that whenever I'm not doing anything, I do not want these applications to suck up the background data or use up my internet. So I'm just going to turn them off. And that is the step number 2. Now for the last and final step, which I believe is the most important one, and it is a very strong setting. So we again have to go to Start button, right click, go to Settings. We're going to go to this option called Network and Internet. Now whichever internet you're currently using, you are going to go inside that. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, just go inside that, or if you're using Ethernet, go inside that. I'm currently connected to the Ethernet, so I'm just going to click on this. Go inside the connection. Now you're going to look for this option Meter Connection. Make sure that this is turned on. This is a very strong setting, and if you turn this on, your background data or your internet usage will be limited and Windows will reduce it a lot. Background data consumption will reduce drastically. Once you do this, these are the very easy and simple 3 steps that you can do to make sure your background data consumption reduces. So please do try them out. Let me know down in the comment section below whether they actually helped you. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.